So we're back here with Stage 1 cycles at Halls in the Yorkshire Dales, and we're going camping, but this time we're going bike packing. Yeah, we're going to get to the campsite using bikes, and we're going to go over some of the big hills that they did the Stage 1 of the Tour de France from. So could be a bit of a challenge. I think more of a challenge is getting our camping gear, which is not exactly lightweight, onto the bikes. I'm not sure that's going to fit in the bike panniers. Fortunately, can use this to take the tent to the campsite. Look at these are a really great idea. No bike rack, no panniers, these just fit straight to the frame. Wow, what a climb. That Buttertubs going up that hill there is, well, what did the sign say, 1.25%? Yeah, it was pretty tough. So carry some stuff on the bike here. So did try a little bit of bike packing, brought quite a bit of the smaller items to the campsite in the bike, but no way would have got this tent in a bike. In fact, any additional weight, even with a small lightweight tent, would have been hard work. So, but we made it, and it was a brilliant descent back down. So we're all set up here for the campsite. What a glorious morning it is today. Had a bit of rain in the night, but sun's out shining now, and we're off on the bikes again. But just take a look at this view. So we've just finished the Swale Trail and stopping off from ice creams. It's been a fantastic weekend. We've been really lucky with the weather, and camping and cycling has been great fun. Really recommend it if you can find a trail near you to give it a go. Get out on your bikes and sleep under canvas. So yeah, we're just gonna get some ice creams and then it's the long drive home, unfortunately. Absolute glorious here.